How to change birthday on Facebook. So the first step is open your Facebook app and go to your profile by either clicking on your profile right here or go to menu and click on your profile. Once you have done that, click on about right here, scroll down to the bottommost part and click on see all about. Once you have done that, go to basic info and click on edit right here. Wait for it to load, and then you should be able to change your birthday right here. So, change your birthday by changing the month, the day right here, and then the year right here. Once you have done that, click on save, and then there you go. So again, just a recap, go to your profile, go to about, scroll down to the bottommost part, click on see all about, and then click on edit and change your birthday. Click on save, and that's it. That's how you can change birthday on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.